Hey everybody, welcome to TradeScope. My name is Luis Garcia and I'm a part-time trader. This is my weekly recap where I talk about all the stocks that I've been trading lately and what I plan to trade in the coming week. Before I get started, I have to let you know that this video is for educational purposes only and is not meant to be taken as financial advice. So, this is going to be a short video this week because I didn't take any trades this week. We had the holiday on Monday, President's Day, so the markets were closed. The other 4 days, I was really busy doing other things, and nothing on my watch list really gave me the warm and fuzzy to take a good trade. I didn't have time to check out my momentum scanners, so if there was anything going on there, I missed it. I'm okay with that, though, because if you guys have been following, last week I had a $2,200 profit week. My goal each week is only a $500 profit, so that holds me over well into this week, into last week that just passed, and into this week coming. I'll be keeping my eye on some things. I did want to share with you one thing that I was looking at closely this past week. So that is Rich Tech Robotics. So Rich Tech Robotics, as the name implies, is a robotics company. They had some news a couple weeks ago. So they launched this accelerator program to bolster AI and robotics research. They kind of rode on that momentum a little bit. Let me get the doodle tool out here. So they kind of rode on that momentum a little bit here, and I was looking for kind of a retest of that level. So they put in this level here. High was $3.41. It kind of came back up, retested 3, and then went back down. So this week opened, I think it was the 18th. And this is the 14th, so let me see if I can get my crosshair out. Yeah, so this week opened this day. What I was really looking for was a break of 3, a clean break of 3, back over 3, and then back to the recent highs for a nice daily breakout. As you can see, we didn't get that, so I didn't trigger a trade. So yeah, I was really looking for a clean break of the $3 mark. And I was looking for it right about here. Didn't get that, but I was hoping for a move back to this level, which is about 350, right? And then maybe even this level up to 4. But that didn't happen, so it didn't really have the momentum. There were other things going on in the stock market. Just everything, like a lot of things that were on my watch list at least, were red. I don't know if there's some overall news that I missed because I was just busy doing other things. Overall market news, typically some of these bigger guys might. My guess is like tariffs are weighing on the market. Yeah, that's what this news article says. Trump weighs tariffs to counteract foreign taxes and tech firms. So as you know, Trump instilled, or maybe you don't know. Maybe you don't know, but Trump did impose a reciprocal tax. A reciprocal tariff on other countries. So basically, every country, if they charge US 100% tariff for our goods, then we charge them 100% tariff. Part of a fair trade policy. I think it's really part of a larger negotiation tactic for him to bring these countries to the table to negotiate lower tariffs and better trade overall. That's just what I suspect. That's what he's done in the past, so I don't see any reason for him to break character on that. That being said, I don't know if that's the only thing weighing on the market, but I'd imagine that's particularly it. Let's maybe look at Nvidia. This is another one that would be affected by tariffs probably. So very similar chart to Apple, right? Kind of had this nice ramp up and then starts to drop, engulfing red candle on the daily. It had an earnings day. Does it say? Did it have an earnings beat? Doesn't really say here. That's interesting. You got a price target upgrade, so that's good. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm suspecting is going on in the market. Like I said, I don't really see any other news. If you guys know of any other news, please let me know. Leave it down in the comments. What are your thoughts about the market this week? What are your thoughts about anything you've been watching? Any of the deep dives I've covered? I know INTZ didn't have a great week either, so you can typically expect when the market has a bad week that these micro caps have really bad weeks too. It's kind of doing one of the things that I thought it would do, which is it's creeping down to try to fill this gap, right? Still hasn't quite made it yet, but it's hanging out right at the 200 moving average. No news catalyst, so exactly what I expect until further notice. I probably should start at least tailoring back my my position on this a little bit. Maybe take 10% off just to de-risk a little bit. Now that I'm sitting on a good cushion, a good profit cushion, so that might be the plan next week. If I continue to not see any good plays, if I don't have a lot of time, then probably by next Friday I'll be cutting positions in something just to get a little bit more risk off with my portfolio, especially going into the end of the month. This is the last week of the month. But yeah, let me know what you guys are watching. So slow week for this week. Nothing really exciting to report. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We picked up a new subscriber this week, so whoever you are out there, thank you very much. Appreciate your attention and your time. We have 6 subscribers now. I'm looking to get to 7. So if anybody's watching, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to check out my deep dives and my other weekly recaps. I'll leave the links down in the description below. And I will talk to you guys next week. Thanks, everybody.